Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Molesky with a little mini lesson today. Your lesson is going to be on multiplying decimals and whole numbers. And this goes along with understanding and mastering multi-digit whole numbers and decimals to the hundreds. So what I want you to take away today, today's essential question is how can we use a model to multiply a whole number and a decimal? During the video, I want you to take notes so you can understand what we're doing. Write down any questions if you don't know so we can talk about it and I can clear up anything for you later. So let's begin. To review prior knowledge, you know each block represents a hundreds. So we have a hundreds grid. So for example, if I colored in 10 hundredths, I have 1/10, 2/10, and 1, 2, 3 hundredths for a total of 23 hundredths. Today's problem we're going to work on is, hold on, let me get a piece of paper here. "34 hundredths times 4. So the first thing is I'm going to look at the decimal, and I know I have tenths, hundredths, 34 hundredths times 4 groups. So that means I need to show 4 groups of 34 hundredths. And by the way, it doesn't matter if you write 4 times 34 hundredths or 34 hundredths times 4. Because of the commutative property. So we're going to now do our problem and show it visually. So I'm going to start by representing 34 hundredths. Then I'm going to go again and do tenths. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 34th, so there's 2 sets. Do another 30 tenths, 2, 3, 3 tenths, or 30 hundredths. 1, 2, 3, 4, so now I have 3 groups represented. And now I'm going to do my last group. 1, 2 tenths, 3 tenths, or 30 hundredths, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have my whole total. So if I look here, I have 1 whole block filled in. Okay, so we're going to write that as 1. Where does my decimal go? Behind the whole number. Now I'm going to see how many I have left. I have 30, 4, 5, 6. So I have 36 hundredths total. So my total is 1 and 36 hundredths. Now let's check that with an irregular logarithm. Okay. I'm going to write 34 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. I know I count the spaces behind decimals, 1, 2. I start behind my ones place, 1, 2. Answer matches. You're good to go. So, review the video if you need to. Come to me if you need to. If not, you can start practicing. Thanks, guys. Bye.